Welcome to Digital Answer Based YouTube channel. Today we'll be reviewing repurpose.io. Repurpose.io is integrated with all the different platforms, and it just literally does what it says on the tin. It literally repurposes all your content with one click of a button to all your social medias. Whenever you upload a video, it automatically uploads it to every single social media platform. That's what basically it does. So what we need to do first of all is, before we jump into repurpose.io, I have to make you aware of one simple thing. Yes, it's nice to press one button and send all your videos to every single social media platform. Just be aware that sometimes you have the chance to lose the quality a bit. So, because some descriptions are much bigger than others in terms of how many words you can put in. So that's one caveat. Still, just be aware of that. What you need to be aware of is automating something, not outsourcing. You still have to make sure that you keep an eye on it. Okay. You can't just rely on, oh, let me press one button and it probably has uploaded everything. You physically have to go out and double check and triple check everything yourself. It does save a lot of time. Let's jump into it. It's very simple to log in. You can log in via Google, YouTube, or Facebook, or you can just create an account here. So just log in with my Gmail account. There you go. As you can see, we are logged into repurpose.io. I'm on the free plan at the moment. On the left-hand side, you can create a new workflow, connect things, the templates, calendar, and then you can upgrade here. So you can even join the affiliate area also. And it's got the support section, the feature request, announcement, and settings. The repurposing of the feature content is you can collect which source you want it to come from and a destination where you want to go. I can also see they've got threads already, so they're up to date here, and all the FM and SoundCloud, so that's quite good. What you want to do first of all, when you come to repurpose, you want to create what's called a flow. You click on flow. Once you click on flow, you come to this section. Let's say you want your documentation or your videos coming from your Google Drive or your Dropbox. So let's say you click on your Dropbox here. They will request the login or sign up to Dropbox to link with repurpose. So what you're doing here, it's very, all right, just cut that out. All right, as you can see here, first thing we want to do is you want to create a workflow. Once you create a workflow, you can link things together. Depending on what platform you want your content to come from, you need to link it to repurpose. Once you link any of the platforms, you can also choose a destination. So you can say Google Drive and then destination where you want. It's very simple, but you need to make sure that whenever you click, you link to your repurpose account. You can repurpose the existing content or create clips from long content. So again, it's got that feature here. What it does is it creates clips from long content. I'll be honest with you, I don't have the experience with how good repurpose.io's clip cutting is. And what you can do is you can back all my content. You can choose all the content where you want it to be backed up. So that's basically how the workflow works. The connection is, one sec, it's loading up. As you can see, there's no really connection here at the moment. So what you do is you can sources, destination, and so you can add a connection here. So add a connection so you can source. Again, the good thing is you can click which one you want to click on. You can have here at the bottom it says additional. These are all the platforms that they support. This can become a source or destination, or this can be a destination. And as you see, certain places can only become a destination. So as for YouTube, can only become a destination. So you're taking the information from your YouTube, and then you're basically sourcing them all out to where you want to go. And this is how you do it. If you want to connect, you put your YouTube link here. YouTube account must be verified before you upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Click verify YouTube. By adding YouTube connection, you agree the bound of YouTube terms. So again, these are the kind of things you have to be aware of, just to make you aware. If you are a bit scared because you're going to be connecting a lot of your personal accounts to on here, repurpose.io doesn't have any access to your password, just to make you aware of that. So it's not, oh, they have access to my password, they don't. Then here at the bottom here you have is the help button. So if you have any questions, you can talk to the AI chat and also ask questions to real people. It's a very simple tool to use. It's basically whatever it says it does. So it's very simple. As you can see here, these are the prices. So for 14-day free trial, that's what I'm just using at the moment, just to test it. You can have 10 published videos and start a social package. These are all the social media that you can post on. And then you have, these are the annual packages. It gives you a 2-month free on the annual, but you can also switch to monthly, and then it will be 35 for the content makers, and for the agents it will be 149. So what do you get with this, the content maker? So you get tailored for the ambition creator, small business owner, entrepreneur, and influencer. So you get 5 accounts per social media channel, unlimited publishing videos, premium social pack, and for the agency you get 20 accounts, unlimited. These are basically a few of the people that have used, and they just give a feedback on how they how they find it, and they're very happy with it. It's a very simple tool. Ask yourself, does this fit into my workflow? If it does, by all means, give it a try. If you're at that stage where you want to automate something, go for it. It's not that expensive. There are different products out there also. I will do some more testing on the other products and give my review on that, and how it interlinks with repurpose.io. From the sounds of it, I can't see it here, but it seems to me that, let's have a look. Yeah, it seems to me they get about 200, roughly, or just over 190k visitors a month from Cinema Web. It seems to me it's not a massive team behind it. Maybe a couple of people that run. It's not like a massive team. Like maybe it could be a solopreneur, just a one-person band basically running it. So that is the feel it gives me. But again, it does what it says it does. You never know. Maybe this could be the next billion-dollar product as it grows. The more people feed into it, they take the feedback on board and keep improving. From the sounds of it, they seem to be doing it, and because they have a lot of customers and visitors every single month. Thank you very much for watching this. This was a quick review on repurpose.io. Like what you've seen today, please the video. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section. We are very grateful to any questions. We answer all of our questions to the best of our ability. I'll see you in the next video.